Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make Atte ki halwa, wheat flour halwa. Let's start. You will need 1 cup of ghee, 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 cup of sugar, a few cashew nuts, a few raisins, and 2 cups of water. Add the water to a vessel. Adding both the cups in. Now add in 1 cup of sugar. Now in a pan add in 1 cup of ghee, and cashews. Now stir it well. Once it's completely fried, shift it over into a plate. Once the sugar is completely dissolved, turn off the flame and keep it aside. Now add in 1 cup of wheat flour into the pan and stir it well. Once the raw smell is gone, add the water with the dissolved sugar. Keep mixing it till it comes to this consistency. To this add in a bit of elaichi powder and mix it well. Now your soft and yummy halwa is ready. So that's all for this video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to see more videos. Bye. Take care.